Manual control. Utilize the 135-minute timer for precision manual control of the charging process. Professional grade. Powerful battery charger and jump starter delivers 175 cranking amps, packing enough power to start SUVs, trucks, and other large engines. 25A boost mode quickly charges dead batteries. Shop-friendly. Heavy-duty, 8-gauge output cables with a 12-foot total reach are well suited for automotive shop dealer use. Color-coded clamps help eliminate hookup errors. Use with most battery types. Compatible with 12-volt standard, AGM, gel, and deep cycle batteries. Long-lasting quality. Trust Craftsman for reliable and well-made jump starters and battery chargers. Heavy-duty construction. Built to withstand the tough garage environment, the CMXCESM274 features a metal enclosure, sturdy retractable handle, and solid wheels. In the box. CRAFTSMAN CMXCESM274 175 cranking amp 12 volts manual wheel charger and jump starter and user manual. A well-equipped garage should include a powerful and reliable wheel charger with a lot of starting power. If you're looking for a heavy-duty battery charger and jump starter that leaves you in control, look no further than the CRAFTSMAN CMXCESM274 175 A12V manual wheel charger and jump starter. Automatic chargers may be easy to use, but some mechanics want to manually control and monitor the charging process. With the CRAFTSMAN CMXCESM274 you can completely direct charging. The unit lets you set the 135-minute timer and amperage and then monitor charging through the built-in amp meter. With the CRAFTSMAN CMXCESM274, you'll have plenty of power for your charging needs. A 175 cranking amps engine start is powerful enough to jump-start SUVs, trucks, and other large engines. The 25A boost mode will quickly revive even deeply discharged batteries. For basic charging needs, the CMXCESM274 offers a standard 6A charge mode. The unit is compatible with all 12-volt standard, AGM, gel, and deep cycle batteries. Top reviews from the United States. I fixed it. Charger charges one battery up, not the other one, but I took it apart, had a loose wire, put it back together, and now it works. Did have a return, but I cancelled it because of that.